I studied the same system that I have been studying the past 2 weeks, which is the 10 centimeter wide heatsink with a length of 20 centimeters. This time I decided to study the behavior of the temperature when using the fans as air extraction, by extracting the air from the fins towards the uh, towards the atmosphere instead of introducing air from the atmosphere towards the fins. And I wanted to study the temperature difference between these two arrangements. The reason is that some clients actually asked me this question, and now I want to have an answer that is based on real measurements. So this is the same system as the last video. Two 40 CFM fans located on the top of the fins of the 10 centimeter wide and 20 centimeter long heatsink. This is another photo of the system. These are the two COB LEDs, chip on board LEDs, and over here is the fan. This is the thermocouple wire. The results are this. At an ambient temperature of 21 degrees centigrade, the temperature on zone A, which is around this place inside the base of the heatsink, is 45.8 degrees centigrade, and in zone B, which is around here, measured by this thermocouple, is 40.9 degrees. So what's the difference between this arrangement and using the fans as pushing the air towards the fins? So normalizing the temperature to an ambient temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. When pushing air, this is the temperature for 40 degrees centigrade, and this is when extracting the air. So this is the temperature when extracting air for zone A, and zone B, pushing air and extracting air. In both measurements, the temperature is greater when extracting the air as compared when pushing the air. Being a little bit more numerical, the difference is 5.8 degrees centigrade greater for zone A and 2 degrees centigrade greater for zone B. In conclusion, it's better to use the fan when pushing the air instead of using it as an extraction. And that's it for this week.